Hey, health warriors! Did you know that a single spoonful of seeds could transform your energy, gut health, and even your skin? But here's the catch. Not all seeds are your friends. Some are packed with cyanide, digestive disruptors, or even hidden toxins. Today, we're cracking open the truth about seeds, the ultimate superfoods, and the sneaky dangers lurking in your snacks. Stick around to discover which seeds deserve a VIP spot in your pantry and which ones to toss ASAP. Let's start with the heroes of the seed world. These tiny titans are bursting with nutrients that rival even the priciest supplements. First up, chia seeds. These little black dots are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Add them to smoothies or overnight oats for a gut-friendly energy boost. Next, flax seeds. Nature's answer to heart health. Grind them to unlock lignans, antioxidants linked to cancer prevention, and omega-3s that slash inflammation. And don't sleep on pumpkin seeds. They're magnesium bombs, critical for nerve function and stress relief. Plus, their zinc content makes them a secret weapon for immune support. Sesame seeds? They're calcium kings, perfect for plant-based diets. Sprinkle them on stir-fries or blend into tahini for bone-strengthening goodness. Sunflower seeds bring the sunshine with vitamin E, protecting your cells from damage. But here's a pro tip. Opt for unsalted, dodge sodium overload. Finally, hemp seeds, the complete protein. All 9 essential amino acids? Check. Toss them into salads or blend into dairy-free milk for muscle repair. Now let's talk about the villains. First, apple seeds. They contain amygdalin, which turns into cyanide when chewed. Swallowing one accidentally won't hurt you, but munching a handful? That's a recipe for dizziness or worse. Tomato seeds aren't toxic, but their lectins can irritate sensitive guts. If you're prone to bloating, scoop them out before adding to sauces. Lychee seeds? These are straight up dangerous. They've been linked to hypoglycemic comas in malnourished kids. Stick to the sweet flesh and spit out the seed. Nutmeg seeds, yes, the spice, are hallucinogenic in large doses. A sprinkle in your latte is fine, but overdo it, and you'll be seeing unicorns. Not ideal. Cherry and apricot pits also pack cyanide. Never crack them open for a snack. Stick to the fruit. Lastly, raw kidney beans, technically seeds, contain phytohemagglutinin, a toxin that causes severe vomiting. Always cook them thoroughly. Ready to level up your seed game? Let's make 3-ingredient seed butter. Blend sunflower, pumpkin, and hemp seeds with a dash of honey. Spread it on toast or dip apple slices for a crunch-packed snack. Or whip up chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, vanilla, and berries. Let it sit overnight, boom, breakfast is served. Store seeds in airtight jars in the fridge to prevent rancidity. Pro tip: label them with expiry dates to keep track. Before you go, let's recap. Load up on chia, flax, and hemp for omega-3s ditch apple and lychee seeds to avoid toxins. And remember, quality beats quantity. Drop your favorite seed recipe below and smash that subscribe button for more nutrient-dense content. Stay savvy, stay healthy, and keep those seeds in check.